Shear Revival's Northern Lights. There seems to be quite a buzz around this product, but come on, is it that good? Hi guys, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. Now this one has been, I say highly requested. So many of you asked for this one on my Shear Revival Crystal Lake video. If you haven't seen that one, then it will be linked up there and also down there. And on all the other product reviews, you guys have been asking about this one. So I thought, it is time that I talk about my thoughts and feelings on Shear Revival's Northern Lights. So Shear Revival are a US brand and their whole thing, their whole mantra is made by the mindful. I spoke about this in the last video, but it's all about using ingredients and resources that are, one, good for the environment and two, good for us. Now, looking into the packaging, again, I love it. It's simple, it's clean, the branding on it looks great. It's not one of those crappy stick-on labels, I said that before. It just looks good. It also smells great. Now, this is a hand-blended citrus, oak moss, and sage scent. So you've got the really sort of fresh citrus notes, but then you've also got this really herby sort of vibe to it, which keeps it, I would say, really quite masculine. It does smell good, seriously. Now the product is made from 98% plant-derived ingredients, and you've got three key ingredients in there. You've got kaolin clay, calendula extract, and clary sage oil. So loads of really good stuff. On the top, you've got aloe juice again, so that is water-based. You've got that kaolinite, which is the white clay, beeswax, you've got various oils, and just loads of great things that are good for our hair and our scalp. Now looking at consistency, I've just had this constant thought of it being exactly like a paste should be. When you think paste, this is right there. It's got this slight chalkiness to it, a tiny bit of stickiness to it, but it really is very easy to get into the hands and warm up before you distribute into the hair. And again, you know, as you're distributing it, you will have this slight tackiness, which I often think is really very reassuring when it comes to hair products. You've got something which is going to be able to manipulate the hair and style it as you want. And you do see that into the styling. You can build in the volume, you can sweep it to the side, sweep it back, and really work with the product and your own hairstyle. And again, it is very true to what it says. It is a matte finish. Often when you've got something that says a matte finish or natural finish, you've still got shine, but this one is matte. It looks good and it feels good in the hair. And I did use this product with and without hairsprays, but as ever guys, for you, I'm showing you without hairspray.
Okay, full day with this. I like sort of, you know, still got a good natural shine. It's not gone hard. It sort of bounces back into place. And it just looks good, you know, it holds the hair as I'd want it. Styled, but not overdone.
So really very impressive. It didn't dry hard. It could still be manipulated, it could be moved around, and for me, who likes his hair to not move, this was good. It did have a firm hold, not obviously a super strong hold that you get from a hairspray, but something very natural, and that's what I absolutely loved about it. And despite it having this really firm hold, it actually washes out no bother, even just with water, no stickiness, no residue. It's removed so easily. So if you're a guy that likes to change up his hair products and have clean, fresh hair, then this will be really great for you. And for prices, it's around about the $17 mark or the £17 mark. So really standard for the Shear Revival products, and also I would say really for homebrew products. I have linked some of the best prices down below in the description, and I am constantly updating manfromself.com, those product pages. When I see a new price, I jump in and I pop that on there, so do keep an eye out. And also loads more products on there. I should say too, if you've used this product or any of the other ones like Crystal Lake or other ones on my site, you can give your own review, give it your own star rating out of 5. You can reply to other people's comments. You can also upload a photo. So for me, that is so helpful to see how it works in someone else's hair and not just mine. And I know it will help other guys who are watching too. Also girls, hi, you're very welcome. But there you go guys, a super solid review. No, that's me. A super solid product. Loved using this. I think, you know, thinking about one of my favorite matte paste, Label M, this is a really great competitor for that. And that actually could be a brand battle, maybe later in the year when we bring that back. But thank you very much for watching. Really hope you've enjoyed this one. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do press subscribe right now. The button is just there. There's also more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. Or head to the blog with the product pages and also my solutions pages right there and my social up there. But I'll see you in my next new video. Bye-bye.